Hello, everyone.
We got nature versus humans. Humans lose every time. Every time. Humans can't defeat nature ever. Y'all just know that. It's over for y'all.
When you think you're safe or totally in control, the weather humbles you instantly. The people in this compilation know that better than anyone. If you're going up against nature, confidence alone won't save you. Let's get it on.
Okay, let's see, y'all. I see the clouds. There gotta be some wind. There gotta be some wind. It's gonna fly. How you mad at the trash can? How you mad at the trash can? You see the clouds? There gotta be wind. Oh, you've been in the air. He'd have been flying, y'all. That's the Wright brothers right there. They creating the airplane right now.
Oh, bingo, I got action. Slip and fall.
Oh, yeah, it's over. Oh! Them squats ain't helping you, is they? Not against the wind. Bet that wind will go about 800 miles per hour, but it's gonna take all of us up, man. You can't stop that. You can't stop that. You gotta be grounded. You gotta fly with the tornado, huh? You ain't stopping that. Man, that's messed up. Ooh. They should have put some rocks on the ends, though. Like, obviously, right? They should have threw some rocks on the ends, obviously. Like, what? They ain't got no type of support. They wasn't prepared. Oh, no. Oh, no. You better watch out. Uh-huh. Ooh, y'all better watch out. Y'all better watch out. Y'all better watch out. The boat gonna flip. I'm trying to tell you. Ooh, okay.
Shut up any place, man. Shut up. Who's that friggin' noise any place?
They gonna start back. It's the crickets. Ooh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
I got that video.
You about to go save her? Oh yeah. Hey, that's a man right there. She's good to see. I love to see it.
Wait a minute.
I love to see it.
Wait a minute now. How'd the car get out there? That's the question. It ain't about him going to save her. How'd the car get all the way out there? That's the question.
He probably work out. No. Strong man.
Oh, somebody else is on. Look, they had the truck out there.
Look at that.
Oh, so they driving out
Look
there.
at that.
Oh, and that car, it must have waved over. Okay, gotcha. I'm like, how'd the car get out there? You gonna fall. He walking on his heel, he gonna fall every time. You gotta pay attention, boy. You don't walk on your heel. Are you dumb? You gonna fall on your butt. Look. Look how he walking. Yeah.
Forgot to clear the steps. The weather's here to remind you.
You gotta walk on your toes. Or you gonna fall. Told you. Trying to tell y'all, bro. Y'all better pay attention to them animals. You gotta walk on your toes. You have to. Watch this. The hill is resting point. That's resting. That's you resting. I promise you. That's why a lot of people, their legs so damn small. But look. See how she stepped on her heel? She gonna fall every time. There ain't no balance on your heel. Ain't no balance.
se nos mojaron y siguieron funcionando. Así que agradecido con la vida y no lo intenten en casa.
She can't even take the picture.
Becoming a mermaid takes a little more elegance than that.
Hold on, you better hold on. You better hold on.
Buddy, it's a buddy.
You better hold on. Now tell me how the dog make it down, but the person didn't. And y'all say the dog is the dog smarter than the person, or is the person smarter than the dog? Y'all let me know. How the dog make it down safely? They got 4 legs. That's because they don't walk on their heel. Come on. Come on. They don't walk on their heel. Look at her. Heel, heel, heel. Oh, yep. Don't bust your head wide open.
Wanna tell them to get back in?
Okay. You gonna go with it? I see. Okay. You need to put some sandbags at the bottom. The wind get like that. Uh-oh, watch it. Ooh. What's that? Ooh. Dang, close your window. Don't open that window. Don't open that door. You better not. You better not.
The wind blew away her motivation to go for a walk.
You better close that door. Ooh. I bet you won't park that truck right there no more. I guarantee you're not gonna park that truck right there no more. He slid all the way to the truck. I would have just fell. Uh-oh. Catch her. Okay. She wet. That's so crazy.
The door will decide for itself when it's ready to open, buddy.
Uh-oh. You gotta put something behind the door. In front of the door. Ding! He jumped in. He said, nah. Oh, you in the water, for sure. That's a small branch. Thought you was a bird. Let's see. You got it so far. Let's see. Ooh. Lean back. Get your slide. I was wondering why they walking like that. They walking on ice. I'm talking about the whole thing is it's ice up here. This whole thing is ice. Ain't no way. They live like that. You can tell. Take your time now. He on his heel. Take your time now. Uh-oh.
Regular shoes should come with ice skates attached to survive in this weather.
Man. Oh!
You're gonna hurt yourself. Okay, you're done.
Okay, you're done.
That opponent was way out of his league.
Oh. I know it's cold. Yeah, that's gone.
The
Don't even
person
hold it.
responsible
Let it go.
for checking the weather
Let it go.
forecast before the picnic never
Let
showed
it go.
up. And now we know why. When the wind gets strong enough, every umbrella turns into a sail.
Oh, she holding that thing, y'all. Don't put it back up now. He ain't got no hair. Humpty Dumpty, he ain't got no hair. You gotta have hair to protect your head, boy. You protect your brain. You crazy, man. You stupid. He's stupid. You gotta protect your brain. You crazy. Look, ain't no hair. You better buy some to protect your brain. She wasn't even running nowhere. Your day over with now, huh? Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
They're never gonna forget this trip. Not just because of the picture.
That looked like where that boy was standing there holding the rail, but we finna find out. Hold it. You better hold on. How he fall? Wait, how he fall? He was holding the rail. Oh, he wasn't holding the rail. She was like, my protector. Nope. He can't protect you. He can't protect himself. Yeah, nah, it's over with. Is that water? Oh. Y'all seen that? The water came out on a different spot where the lady was sitting at. It is water up there.
Got it. Oh my god! It's me one metal clip in your hair.
Thunder.
Right, Eddie! Go, Emily, you're right.
It's that thunder. I don't get that one.
I'm here with Mr. Siegel today. Buongiorno, Mr. Siegel.
Oh! Give it back! Give it back! Give it back! Oh! Playing around. Okay. Okay. Ooh, you had it. Nah, yeah. Oh, get the phone, get the phone, get the phone. It's waterproof. About a little bit. It's waterproof. Oh, man. Everything flying. Look. I'm like, yep, I'm going inside. See, I told you. Yep, I'm going inside. They ready. Look, they ready. Y'all better not jump in there. They trying to jump in it. Where he at? He's still there. Okay, he went through it. Oh, wow. Ooh. Watch the rocks. The rocks hurt. Watch the rocks, boy. Man, that water going far down. It's going to live there. Swing? I was gonna say, was that like a river or something, a little lake? He fell in. Ugh, I know that's dirty. The fish gonna get you. Ugh, get out of there, get out of there. Ugh, I know it's dirty. Alright. It look like y'all sinking.
Yeah, the beauty of the ocean really can knock you off your feet.
Don't hit the deer.
At the beach, strong wind can turn anyone into a marathon runner.
He ain't no marathon runner. He a turtle runner. He's slow. He's slow. You better catch that thing, man. Marathon runner. Yo, she gonna fall. Look, look, on her heel. Look, y'all, told you. I'm trying to tell you. Stay off your heel. If I ever fail, that's because I was on my heel. I normally don't fall, though. Oh, how'd that happen? Hit a rock?
Eins og sést gífurlega kastinn á Helliseiðinni og þessi rúta fyrir aftan mig, hún fauk út af. Engin plats.
Somebody translate. What's she saying?
Já, engin plats aðeins. Og voru ekki að því að komum í burtu gífurlega.
Translate it. That don't look like sand. Y'all, this look like brick. Y'all see it? Look at the brick, then look at the brick. So I wonder where it ends. That don't look like no sand. There's no sand right here. I'm normally used to beaches with sand. This is straight brick. Oh, they built that to tell people not to go too far. Okay, that makes sense. I wonder if there's, never mind. Fish out there. Man, they should have put that a little bit further back, huh? Oh, they did. They got some other ones right here. Look. They tell them don't pass. They still pass though. Look at them. Some brave warriors playing with that ocean. They brave, huh? The ocean don't care about your feelings. Oh, help! You just gonna stand there? you just wasn't there somebody in there? Look, look, look! It's a kid in there. You just gonna stand there? Or did the kid jump out? Oh, the kid jumped out a little bit. I see it. He's like, I told you it was gonna flip. She like, yay! Watch it now, watch it now. Oh! Oh nah, oh nah. Tell boss I ain't coming in today. Good. Dang. You got the water shoes on? Get it, get it, get it. Get it. You got it. You got it. Come on. You got it. Oh. Okay. That was fire.
Looks like someone should have invested in rain boots instead of getting an umbrella.
That's hell. That'll break your windows. Look how big them balls is. Shh. That'll literally break your car windows. That's crazy. House windows too. Dang, it's popping around. Like popcorn, huh? Okay. You got it. Nope. Oh, it was a hole. Oh, man. Oh, he used to this. Look, look, look. He used to this. This ain't his first rodeo. Oh, watch that. Huh? That's a trooper. He ran dead into the wall. Look, the squirrel, y'all.
not jump at you.
Yeah.
All right, bud. What? He jumped on me.
Oh yeah.
No.
Oh, y'all friends now.
Just without hands, okay? Nobody's going to say anything because that's how we do it. Everybody's in the crocodile. I'm going to shoot you.
What crocodile?
Are you ready for the crocodile?
Oh my god!
Everybody ready for the crocodile?
Oh my god!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Time to
Who
go
would have thought
inside.
a ladder wouldn't stay?
Hey, they got a nice is these multiple homes? Because if it's not, that's nice. They got a garage right there, another garage right here, and then a house right here. That's fire. It's like a ranch or something. 1, 2, like 3 cars over there. It's pretty nice. A lot of room for a lot of different stuff. Oh, this is pretty cool, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. You got the porch, the stoop. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice.
Stay stable on ice.
Uh-oh. They all got down. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. When I say stay grounded, you gotta get down like a rock. You gotta hold your ground like a rock. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta get down and hold it down. Do not stand straight up. Yeah, she know it. Just hold it down. Hold it down. Alright, yeah. Ooh. Look, I've been just like that dude right there. Yep, I'm just gonna go around. Look, it's a dude that's gonna walk this way or walk that way. I'm like, yep, I'm just gonna go around. I see the person's legs, look. Yep, just gonna walk around. I ain't even finna do it. I wouldn't even have tried that. What is that? What is that? That ain't gonna survive nothing. What is that? Was that electric or not? What? It is electric one, okay. Save the scooter, dog. Get the scooter, dog. Okay, leave that in the water.
Umbrellas are great against rain and sun, but once the wind joins the fight, they don't
He got
stand
Speedos on.
a chance.
Trying to show his legs. Oh, I missed it. They driving in that thing, huh? Oh. There's animals in there? Why they got holes in it like that? Ooh. That was off the roof, wasn't it? He did a front flip. Oh, yeah. She said, I could jump it, I got it. No, you don't. Dang, I'll be mad. What kind of car that is? It look like a nice car, too. Dang, your car is through. I'm tell you that right now. Trash can gonna win all the time. Let's see. I told you. Hey, this should teach y'all. When you grab the trash can, make sure you hold the lid down while you pull it. I mean, if the wind blowing, obviously, right? You don't want it to slap you. The trash can gonna get you every time.
The ocean suddenly decided they needed to switch spots.
Uh-oh. 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 The boat turned over. Hold up now. Hold the car. Hold the car. I told you, hold the car. Yeah, hold on to the car. She ain't gonna heal too fast, y'all. She gotta hold the car. Don't stand on your heel. Dang. How you get
Looks
in
like he
there?
won't see his family again until spring.
How you get in there? The trash people still coming? Oh, fuck. What? Ooh. She put her foot right before the concrete. That looked like it hurt. Put the umbrella down, dog. It ain't even no use of it. You wet, dog. Ain't no way you not wet. Ain't no way. Where you going? You was almost there. I'm going back home. Dang. Uh-oh. Nope, that's a puddle. You was better off going on the side. The grass or at least the mud. Oh, man. Why would you go through the puddle? You're not in the car. How you fall? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She moving too fast. Ooh, okay. She almost hit her knee. Look, the dog always there, huh? She good. Okay. Okay.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
You should have put him in the back. You gotta balance that thing out. Use your other hand. Come on. Dang. That umbrella got holes in it, y'all. That's how it's made. Who's recording? That's what I want to know. Who recording it? Oh, it's made like that, y'all. Oh, boy. She almost there. You gonna fall. Come on. I bet. Ooh.
They had to sacrifice their flip-flops just to get the bike back from the puddle.
Yeah. Look at the flip-flops, y'all. Get the other two. She's like, come on. Ooh. Ooh, you hit your butt so hard. Ooh. If you had something in that bag, it's broke. Whatever was in that bag is broke at this point. Ooh.
That's actually a solid excuse to go back home and stay there all day.
She's like, you know what? I'm not coming to first class. The car was warmed up and all. Your big old bald head. Oh, oh.
It's about to break.
I hear it. I told you. You can hear it cracking. Slowly. You keep stepping in it.
What I say, man?
So FYI, if you on breaking ice, you never want to stand on top of it. You gotta smoothly slide across that thing. Do not try to stand up. If you keep trying to stand up, you're gonna keep breaking it. That's putting all your weight on one spot. That's stupid. When you can lay out like a seal and like slide across it. You slide. Like that's dumb. You're gonna keep standing up, you're gonna keep falling in. Y'all don't know nothing, huh? Get your foot out of there before it freeze.
Come on here.
Look, still trying to stand up. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, that ain't gonna work. You putting all your weight on one spot, that's dumb. You gotta slide across of it. You gotta slide, bro, like a little seal. A little slide like that. A little penguin, slide. Come on. Or get to the edge, of course. Get your foot out of there before it freezes. Damn. What would we do without the ring camera? The ring camera catch everything.
Usually the walk from the car to the house takes a couple of seconds, but the wind decided to make the trip a whole lot longer.
Come on, hold on to it. Hold on to it. Hold it. Hold it. You're not gonna beat the wind, hold it. You gotta work with it. Hold it. Oh yeah, just walk to the car. Just go.
This
Just go.
umbrella is here purely for emotional support.
Wait, is this that same dude? He like going out there, I can tell.
just casually walking out there like it's not.
If he'd shown up a few minutes later, the tent would have been on another beach.
Uh-oh. That's nice book bag. I see Goku on it. Oh. Ooh. You good. Uh-oh. Take your time. Wait, why your shoe not on? Why his shoe not on? He ain't got no shoe on. Why your shoe halfway off? Or them slides? Did he fall out his shoes? Nah, he ain't got his shoes on. He on the edge of the shoes. He on the edge of the shoe. He walking on the edge of the shoe. He ain't got his shoes on. Oh no. No. She got some nice legs, but the heels? Please don't fall. Please don't fall. 422. That one too long ago. You're good. You're good.
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Hey! ¡Se ve de otro!
Now they playing. I already knew it.
Even the dog ended up getting roasted by Mother Nature.
Uh-oh. What was that? There was an animal in there. I was wondering why it was staying on top of the trucks. There was an animal in there.
The cat sensed what was about to happen just before it did.
Makes sense. They playing around. Alright now. He's surfing that thing, huh? Ooh! Ooh, he was surfing it at first. You gotta stand up at that point. And that dirt bike. Man, look at all that. What y'all thinking?
This usually happens right after you realize it's way too late to turn around. For some reason, getting hit by the weather feels way more embarrassing.
You gonna make it, look. He said, I'm gonna make it. Take your time, take your time. Yeah, yeah. Man. Ugh. All that salt water all up on y'all, huh? That was a good one. See y'all in the next one, man. You already know what's going on. We out. Peace. God bless.